up, guys? This is Adam Ballard here, aka the Tackle Weeb for Lake Pro Tackle. We are out doing some pond slaying at a secret location, slaying dinks with what's kind of become my go-to pond slaying setup here recently. I have one of the new GLX and the brand new, fresh to the market Antares 100B. This is an entirely new Antares from the ground up. Spool, everything is completely different. Has a sleek new Hagane body on it. Looks very kind of spacecrafty, alien. A beautiful kind of chrome, straw, bronze type finish on it. Brand new reverse taper MGL4 spool. This thing launches like an absolute rocket. It is extraordinarily fast. It will cast a mile. Overall, the reel is deliciously smooth. It's everything you would expect from a top-of-the-line Shimano product. The new generation micro module gears in it, you cannot feel even the slightest hint of geariness. Casting is buttery smooth. The retrieve is buttery smooth. Overall weight on this is just a hair over 7 ounces. So it's got some heft to it, but it's not a total heavyweight. But built very, very solidly. This would make a phenomenal general purpose reel for anything you guys want to do. It's a 100 size versus the older generation. You know, the 19 Antares was a 70 size. So more line capacity, a little bit bigger body, but if you want to crank, flip, pitch, whatever, it's got the line capacity and the beef to do any kind of that stuff you want. I can't say enough good things about it. Overall, I think it's absolutely killer. If you guys would like to pick one of these up or a GLX rod, you can check them out at Lake Pro Tackle, in shop or online. These are not here yet, but in the next few weeks into the month, they should start seeing these, so keep your eyes peeled on the website. I got kind of a super sneak peek at it, but other than that, we'll catch you guys around the pond. Take it easy.